Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change a drop cap to a letter in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document and take a paragraph or a letter is drop capped. Now we change the drop cap letter to simple letter. Select the letter and go to the insert menu. Then click drop cap drop down menu and choose none. And we can see here we change our drop cap to a letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.